Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a braided calzone pizza. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of pizza crust, shredded mozzarella cheese, gouda cheese, that's optional, 1 large egg, pepperoni, pizza sauce, 2 teaspoons of water, 1 tablespoon of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. You want to get a baking sheet and you want to line it with parchment paper. Now you want to take your pizza crust and stretch it into a nice rectangular shape. You can set your oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to take our pizza sauce. We're just going to go and make a square in the center of our crust. You want to leave about an inch on the edges to 1.5 inches. Okay guys, next we're going to take where your dough is on the edges and we're just going to make cuts in it. You're going to go straight down on each side. Now I'm going to add a mixture of my mozzarella cheese and also my gouda cheese to the top of our pizza sauce. Now I'm going to begin to add a layer of my pepperonis on top. Okay guys, then you want to take some more of your pizza sauce and go over top of your pepperonis. Now we're going to add some more cheese on top. Now you're going to fold the edge of your pizza crust over. And we're going to begin to bring our dough that we cut over as if we were braiding. Okay, now for our egg wash, we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of water, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and also onion powder. And we're going to just whisk that together until it's well combined. Now we're going to take our egg wash and we're going to brush it over top of all the pizza crust. You want to make sure everything is nicely coated. Now we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over top. Now it's ready to bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. Okay guys, look how beautiful this calzone pizza came out. We're gonna let it cool off for a little while before I cut into it. Guys, look how cheesy that is on the inside. This came out perfect. You can also add some sauce to the side to dip it in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.